Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Lloyds Bank Share Dealing. Lloyds Bank Share Dealing offers a platform for buying and selling stocks and shares. It's aimed at individuals who want to invest in the stock market, offering a range of investment options and tools. Key features include the ability to buy and sell shares, view portfolio performance, and access market research. Their website provides details on account opening and fees. Lloyds Bank's share dealing service positions itself as a user-friendly platform for both beginners and experienced investors. The website emphasizes transparent pricing, although specific fees may vary depending on the type of transaction. They don't appear to offer any particularly unique selling points like cutting-edge technology, but their integration with existing Lloyds Bank accounts might be a benefit for existing customers. Availability is limited to UK residents, and eligibility checks are done during the application process. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Lloyds Bank Share Dealing. Getting started was pretty straightforward. The online application was simple to complete, and I had access to my account within a couple of days. The interface is clean and relatively easy to navigate, although it took me a little while to get used to the layout of the order book. Placing trades was simple, the process was intuitive and clearly guided me through each step. The speed of execution was generally good, I experienced no significant delays. I was really impressed by how easy it was to monitor my portfolio performance. The charts and graphs were very helpful. I had a quick question about a specific transaction fee, and their customer support responded within 2 days via email. Their response was helpful and accurate. One minor drawback was the limited research tools available. I found myself having to use external resources for in-depth company analysis. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Lloyds Bank Share Dealing. It's a solid, reliable platform that's well suited to my needs as a casual investor. While it lacks some of the bells and whistles of more sophisticated platforms, its ease of use and transparent pricing make it a good choice for beginners or those who prefer a simple, straightforward approach. That's my overview of Lloyds Bank Share Dealing. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.